Konnichiwa minasan, my name is Jay. Welcome to our channel, Gen XJ. Hey Google, turn on vacuum.
Alright, turn on the vacuum.
Hi guys, so for today, as you can see, unboxing and review. We're gonna be doing a Amazon Prime deal. I think it was this week, early this week, 2 days of Amazon Prime deal, and we bought a very smart device. This was one of my fan projects before. Fortunately, there was a sale, the Amazon Prime deal sale. Got this, me and my wife got this around 60% less from the original price. So let's start the unboxing. So this is a RoboVac from here. As you can see, Robo Vacuum Cleaner from Moosoo. Put aside first the Amazon box, and yeah, as you can see, the Robo Vacuum box. SRP price is 18,700 yen, 18,700 plus yen, and we just got this 7,542 yen, so almost 60%. So it was a very good buy, and this was on sale on Monday. Yeah, on the next day, on the second day of the Amazon Prime deal, the price went up, so it went up to 9,000 yen. So we were one of the first ones who got the very good deal of the 7,000 less. By now it's out of stock. I think I checked earlier on the Amazon app, so it is now out of stock, and here it is, the Robo Vacuum Cleaner model MT-501. Let's open this. Ooh, like the packaging. Let's put that aside. What's this? Ooh, 2,000 Shibaku. Wow, there is a 2,000 yen cashback. Ooh, nice. So I'll keep this again. Thank you, Moosoo, for this. This is not a sponsored video, by the way. So here is first thing that you will be greeted by Moosoo. The cute icon. There is a RoboMaid, and there are instructions. There is a QR code. So there's an app. So the app is My Life. Yes, My Life. So download. Yeah, there are some instructions written on it. It's in Japanese. So here is the Robo Vacuum. So before we proceed to that, let's see what are the freebies. So I have unpacked all of the stuff that is included with the Moosoo Robot Vacuum Cleaner. So let's start from the left. So these are the spare brushes. So the main ones are, I have already attached it to the vacuum cleaner. Then this is the spare HEPA filter, and then the power supply. So those who are asking, especially those who are in the Philippines, if this can be used on the Philippines, yes it is, because the power supply is 100 to 240 volts, so it can be used there. And this is the docking station or the charging station. So I like about this is there is a cleaning brush slash cutter for the hair that will be stuck on the brushes or on the roller part of the vacuum. Lastly, yeah, the unit itself, the vacuum unit itself, quite it's a hefty weight. So as you can see below, there are buttons on top, you can see. So there's the Wi-Fi button if you want to connect it to the network. This can be integrated with your, if you have Alexa or Google Home. We have Google Home, I will join this to our network. So by the way, so this unit will connect only to a 2.4 gigahertz network, Wi-Fi network. So I have two signals that we are utilizing here in our house. So we have a 5 gigahertz and 2.4 gigahertz. So yeah, basically all of our smart devices here are connected to that network, and in which this will fit in also on that bandwidth. So let's plug the power and try to set up all of this. So I'll be back. I have plugged already the power supply. So as per instruction here, turn on the switch before charging. So there it is. So as you have heard, it spoke Japanese. So hajimemashite, Japanese greeting when if you meet a person for the first time. So hajimemashite, and then it said that roboto sojiki desu. So it is a robot vacuum cleaner. Sojiki is vacuum cleaner. I think let's open the app. So the app is called My Life. So it is a app dedicated to Moosoo, and I have already set up an account. Let's add a device. So as you can see, these are the products available from Moosoo Robo Vacuum. So this model is the MT-501. There it is. Select a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. I'll be back after this. I have finished setting the network side of this. So see you later. I have finished connecting this to the network of my Google Home. So as you can see on my living room, I named it Vacuum. So originally its name is Moosoo MT-501. So I changed it to Vacuum so that it's much easier to for Google to understand and process the command. So let's try. Hey Google, turn on vacuum. So there it is. So I'll just so as you can see, you can detect the edges. It has sensors so that it will not fall down. So okay, it started to clean. So hey Google, turn off vacuum. So it's going home. So it's finding the dock. So let's see if it can find the docking station. Oh, there it is. So it has docked already, and yeah, it's very good. So also you can control this via remote, so manual. So let's try. Stop. Play. So there it is. So I'll click the home. So there are different modes on this. So later we will explore this on the remote. So we will try it on the floor, on the actual place that it will be cleaning, and I'll be back. Hi guys, so that is the location of where the robo vacuum will be staying in the charging dock. So let's try on this area, on our living room. Hey Google, turn on vacuum.
Sure, starting the vacuum.
So as you can see, it has started. So it's moving from a hard floor to vacuum. Let's see if it can. So it has some problems sometimes in crossing. So in the app, it is mapping out the place it has already cleaned. So as you can see. So here is the problem that I am saying. So like that. So here is the remote. So So you can control it via phone, via app, via Google. And yeah, this is also one option. If you want to clean, use the remote. You can do this. Yeah. If you don't have any what you call this 2.4 network, a 2.4 gigahertz network, you can do this if you want to have a manual mode. Stop, go, power, going home. So if you want to do a spot cleaning, you can do it. So it will be spinning around on the certain area you just want to be cleaned well. That is spot cleaning. And then this is power mode, how much power. So it's selected now low mode. So low mode, medium mode, high mode. So as you can see, it's doing the spot clean. It's concentrating on that area. So I turned it into low mode. It's doing well. And then let's select the cabe or wall mode. So that's it. So let's check how good the cleaning was. Where's the opening? Oh, see, it's quite. You never imagine I had quite a lot of dust, especially below the couch. So yeah, so the thickness of this, it can squeeze to under couches, chairs, tables. So yeah, see, look at this. It's just only cleaned for around 10 minutes and it picked up quite a lot of dust. Summary, this is Moosoo MT-501, model T501. And it is a smart vacuum or smart robo vacuum. It can be connected to your Alexa, your Google Home. The app, it's kind of hard if you're not well versed on setting up, and if you have no patience, it's kind of hard. But there are plenty of guides in the internet, so they can help you. The pros and cons. So the pros, the design is good. The sensors work very well. The suction power is good, so it has a setting from low, medium to high, and then you have options to control it from your phone, the app. You can also control it via automation. For us, it's our Google Home. Third is the remote. You can control all the settings, same with the app via remote. So the only con that I saw is it tries to clean the carpet or the rug, especially when your carpet or your rug is quite light. It will tend to push it and fold it. Yeah, that's a very little con compared to the pros. And also, it's not that expensive compared to the higher models from iRobot. It's around $500. So this one is around $180, and then we got this through Amazon Prime deal, so we only got this $70. For me, I highly suggest this product from Moosoo as your first robotic vacuum and maybe your first introduction also to smart appliances in your house. I think that's it. So hope you enjoyed the unboxing review of the Moosoo MT-501 RoboVac. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Also comment down below if you have any more ideas or comment regarding or questions regarding this product that I haven't covered yet. I haven't covered or gave you. Just comment down below. I'll reply to you as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed, click the subscribe button, and also comment down below if you have any more ideas that you want me and my wife to cover here in Japan. And yeah, so that's it. So see you in the next one. Bye. Peace.